Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, copper market opened around 426.2. You can see this black color box indicates the price opening. And the price opened just above the previous day's price closing. You can see this is the price closing on the previous day. And we were targeting the zone of 425 and 426. What we expected is that anything above 426 can push the market bit higher and the market can gain some buying momentum. That is what we expected. So yesterday after the price opening, you can see this single candlestick. There was some buying momentum yesterday because we are following 7 minutes candlestick chart, which represents the single candlestick which you are seeing this black color thing represents 7 minutes. So after the price opening, there was some buying momentum. So let us see what happened after that. So after the price opening, the market consolidated here, but what we should note is that this 428 is a very major resistance, because just if you go and see the previous day, after the price opening above 426 and after staying above 426, this 428 provided a very clear resistance and pushed the market down to close lower around 426. So this 428 is going to be quite important for us. So let us see what happened after the market testing this 428. So after the market testing this 428, market was quite successful in staying above 428. You can see that the market was quite successful in staying above 428, and it is providing this 428 is now acting as a support for copper market. So this 428 has provided some support for copper market that is trying to push the market higher. You can see that how many times the market is providing some support around 428. So there was some buying happening around 428, and eventually the market gained some buying momentum after taking a good support around 428, and and it went up and tried to test this 431. You can see this 431 levels. The market created a high of around 431 after taking a very good support. So from right from the price opening, so the market has clearly moved higher stage by stage, because this 428 is a resistance for yesterday. And if you are continuously watching our presentation, the previous week also we have explained clearly the importance of 428. So the importance of 428 zone, because on the previous week we were targeting this 428 as a key decision zone. So now it is providing some support around 4. The market found some support, and till reaching the copper market reaching this 431, it was clearly indicating some buying in copper market. So after testing this 431, so the market straight away came down and dropped and tested this 428 again. So you can see after a huge drop also from 431, the market dropped down, and again this 428 is going to provide some strong, it has provided some strong support for copper market, and copper closed around 428.8. This is the zone where the copper market closed yesterday. So when we see the complete price action, you can see the market was perfectly and completely in uptrend. Yesterday the market was completely staying in uptrend, having this 428 as a very good support for copper market. And if you compare the closing, yesterday's closing is well above the yesterday's market opening, and the market has created a new high, and the low itself is the price opening is the low for yesterday. So yesterday, as we expected, since the price was staying above 426, the market went higher. But today, what we are expecting is that today we are expecting copper to open more or less around 427.5. That means that we are expecting copper to open below 428, which indicates, which is going to act now this way. If the price, any price action below 428, which indicates that this 428 is going to act as a resistance for copper market. And when we are following COMEX price direction, it is also indicating some drop in the COMEX prices, international prices, which put us in a very serious doubt that whether the copper can still move higher. That is a serious doubt for us. So today what we recommend is that what we expect is that this 428 can provide some resistance. It is a quite risky thing given the rupee value also, but there is no other option left for us to provide this suggestion for you. So today what we are expecting is that today we are expecting to copper to take some resistance around 428. and you can go and have a strict stop loss around 429. So that is what we are expecting to happen in copper market today, purely based upon the international prices. What we suggest is that copper has got some potential to move down. All depends upon what's going to happen during a trading session. Today is a good we accept that today is going to be a riskier target for us, comparing with the international prices, which clearly indicates copper prices, which clearly COMEX market. If you see COMEX market price, it indicates a clear drop in trend in copper prices. So comparing and adjusting with this price and correlating that with the rupee value, so what we expect is that we expect the copper market to provide some resistance around 428. So let us wait, because we need a confirmation that the price should take some the market should go above this 429. So initially what you can do is that go and test the copper market with taking this 428 as a key resistance and this 429 as a stop loss. Since we are presenting these videos well before the price opening, market opening, both the currency and MCX opening, so all depends upon where the price is going to open in copper. So if the currency values or if the rupee is weakening more, so you can expect copper to open much if the price is opening above 428, or if it is going to open above 429, so it is going to be a good chance for buying. So we are clearly stating that the price opening is going to be very important for copper market today. If you find any opening near 427.5 or 427, so this 428 is going to provide some resistance for copper market, which indicates that this 428 is going to provide some resistance, and you can test the market having 429 as a stop loss. But if the price is going to open above 428 and 429, so based upon the currency value alone, not taking into COMEX prices into consider COMEX copper price into consideration, then you can go for a buy. But what we expect is that we are expecting copper to open below 428 and around 427.5 to 427. So that is the reason we are targeting the price to move higher. So it is going to be a quite a riskier call, but there is no other option left for us. Just look for the price opening in copper market. If the price is opening according to our view, so you can expect the market to find some resistance around 428, and you place a stop loss around 429 and go short in the market and test the market completely. Surely it will find some, again it is going to find some support around 426 and 427. If there is any closing below or near 426 and 427 and below, it can push the copper market further down. If there is any price action above 428.9 or something, let us leave and we will pick it after that. So that is what we are expecting. It is going to be a very close call in copper today. So all depends upon where the price is going to open. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session and concentrate more on copper, because if you see all the commodities, copper, crude, it is almost it is in the consolidation phase. So what we need to do is that we need to take some calculated risk to keep in a trend and to make some profit. So let us see what's going to happen during your trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos, and take care. Happy trading. Bye.